dad started when I was actually a freshman in high school. He died at an early age. I kind of just got like thrown in my lap. So that's all I've ever done. But I'm happy with it. So. Most anything done to an automobile mechanical wise. Tires, brakes, tune-ups, belts, hoses. I can tell people from fan belts to motors. Probably just being in the community so long and try to help everybody in a smaller community that it is. That everybody kind of knows who you are and we work together to help each other. Just like we've been here 49 years, so I think that success would kind of speak for itself. You can't treat people bad in this little town. You'll get around pretty quick if you're not doing the right job. Treat people like you want to be treated, I guess. Just try to be fair with everybody. We all got to make a living. Just try to be fair.